It has been a year since the last time I tested an electric scooter from Turboant. The brand has been well known for making high-quality products at affordable prices. The M1 is the cheapest Turboant scooter at the moment, as is priced $100 lower than the X7 Pro. Let's find out which one is more suitable for you. As compared to the Turboant X7 Pro, the M1 has a much more compact and portable design. The battery is now built into the deck instead of the handle post. The change makes the M1 less bulky and more stable, because the center of gravity is moved lower. Handling the scooter becomes much easier since the handle post is more lightweight now. I also love the folding mechanism of this scooter. Basically, I just need to press on the lever on the front, fold down the handle post, and attach it to the rear fender. However, the simple hook on the back is not really secure, and the scooter can fall off if you don't carry it up straight. Therefore, you should be extremely careful when carrying the scooter. The M1 boats should use a 350-watt motor, similar to the more expensive model. However, it's not really powerful during my test. I have trouble climbing some moderate inclines, from 10 to 25 degrees, and it needs a lot of pushes from my foot to climb up. I often set the speed setting at level 2, so the scooter would stop in the middle of the incline. In that case, I would need to switch to the max speed at level 3 and push against the ground a few times. That's the reason why I feel like the model is weaker than 350 watt. Another shortcoming is the low battery range, as a full charge could last just about 15 miles. Recharging the battery is not as convenient as the battery is not removable. And since the battery port is placed on the side of the deck, you need to make sure to close it after recharging to avoid damages. The LED display is bright and clear. It shows all important information like battery life, speed settings, current speed, and LED light status. On the two sides, we have a real brake lever and a tiny throttle lever. I really don't like using the throttle lever using my index finger, because a twist throttle still feels much more comfortable for my hand. To conclude, here are all pros and cons of the M10. Pros: lightweight and portable, stable and comfortable ride. Cons: underwhelming model, unsecure folding hook, low battery range. Overall, the Turboant M10 is my least favorite product from this brand, and I even think it is overpriced. I saw some similar e-scooters with similar specs costing less than $400. Therefore, I only recommend the M10 if its price drops to the $300 to $400 price range.